Hello. Today I'm going to be doing resistance band training, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing it lying down. So this is inside a dance room. However, it's what we're doing. We're imitating a situation where if you're in the bed, you can loosen the bed anytime you want, or on a sofa, or if you're in a hotel, or even a hospital and you're not really mobile, this is a great way for you to do exercise as well, and to have some core resistance training as well using resistance bands. Hopefully this will help you out. Give it a try. This is going to be a full set of 5 videos doing stretches. We're going to be doing upper body, lower body, core, and back. Okay? So we're going to do a range of series of videos where we'll introduce this as well. So each video won't be too long like the previous ones. It'll be short snippets of each different section, but this will be lying down, okay? How about you join us? So today, as I said, we'll start with the upper body. And we normally have the 4 bands, but for lying down, I think we don't have to be too strenuous. We can use the advanced band, which is our red band, okay? And obviously, if you want to go for a bigger sweat, you want to start working out more, by all means, certain muscle groups. For lower body, you can jump onto the high strength bands as well. But we'll start with the red. All the routines, as we said, are printed on the bands when you buy them. So as you do the exercises, just read it off and do the exercises. Lying down, there'll be a slight variation on the movements because these bands, these exercises were made for standing up. However, it's quite flexible, as you'll see. Muscle. Internal, external rotations. You can either put it on the foot, or we hold on to one side, and you can place the elbow flat on the ground there, and we're pulling it to touch the ground. So what is this? This is a elbow movement. And for the left hand, okay. And if we're working the other way around, we are tied around one foot. And it's similar to their movement. What we're doing is open our legs out in the wider, and we're doing it inwards, okay? We want the more strength coming through. So that means we've got the external and internal rotation, both sides. Chest fly. So the chest fly, in terms of say the push-up, I just mentioned there as well. But with the chest fly, rather than doing like a push-up movement, we've got a fly movement. So fly meaning we're going from outside in, outside in. Whereas the push-up was straight push-up. Fly is like holding dumbbells and we're pushing up in. And then we've got the straight fly, front fly, lower fly, and the upper fly. Okay. This is actually a great exercise for using a slightly heavier band. Okay. We have this one, that high around the shoulder and neck area, or neck area pretty much, and we're putting it this way. Okay. Then we have some special bonus moves, because traditionally we've got 33 moves built on the band, but I think with lying down, there are certain moves where you can do lying down, you don't have to do lying up. There's the wrist, elbow, and the shoulder flexion and extension. So the wrist sort of exercise where we just do, when you're doing lying down, we're just moving the wrists. No arm. You can move it both directions. You can do left, right. You can do palm facing outwards, palm facing inwards. And we're just working the wrist action. Okay, make it a little bit easier. Also, basic flexion and extension for the elbows and the shoulders. Also very practical as well. Many different variations you can do actually. If you just want to go down, if you want to go put it up, internal, diagonals. You can do it sitting down as well, but we're just going 45 degrees on both hands pull. Okay. Got the side pulls. Please smash the like button, smash the subscription button, also put on the bell, and stay tuned for more videos, okay?